Good morning, dear student. Dear student, I think all of you will be fine at your home, and I hope all of you will be understanding well what am I teaching here. But dear student, if any of you will have any doubt related to any topic, then you can direct call to me, or dear student, you can send your message on my personal WhatsApp. Dear student, today I am going to explain exercise 6.2. Question. I have written question on this board. Student, read carefully these questions. Let's understand, dear student, how will you solve this question I am going to explain. Okay, dear student, let's understand. Question number third, the first part. What is given here? 3x equal to 2. We have to solve this equation. We have to solve this equation. Question क्या है? Solve equation 3x equal to 21. Dear student, 3 और x ये दोनों प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म में है. इसका मतलब x का वैल्यू निकालने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे? x के कोफिशिएंट से इसको डिवाइड कर देंगे. x के कोफिशिएंट से इसको डिवाइड कर देंगे. तो डियर स्टूडेंट, x का कोफिशिएंट क्या है? 3 है, तो 3 से डिवाइड कर देंगे. x इक्वल टू क्या आ जाएगा? 7. तो डियर स्टूडेंट, दिस इज आवर आंसर. x इक्वल टू 7 इज द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ गिवन इक्वेशन 3x इक्वल टू 21. सेकेंड, 12y equal to 48. Student, 12 and y is in the form of 12 and y are in product form. Therefore, the value of y will be what? 48 को y के कोफिशिएंट से डिवाइड कर देंगे. What is coefficient of y? 12 divided by 12. Therefore, y equal to 12 से इसको डिवाइड करेंगे, that will be 4. Our answer is 4. Y equal to 4 is solution of this equation. Okay. Next question. Question number third. 9y equal to 72. Therefore, y equal to what? We will divide 72 by coefficient of y. 70 by coefficient of y is what? 9. Therefore, y equal to what? 9 8 is 72. Y equal to 8 is solution of this equation. Fourth, 8x equal to 96. Dear student, we have to find the value of x. What will you do? Therefore, the value of x equal to what? We will divide 96 by 8. 96 by 8. Therefore, what will be? 12. Student, x equal to 12 is the solution of this equation. Dear student, I hope all of you will I hope all of you must have understood just what I explained. But if any of you will have any doubt, then you can ask. Okay, dear student, let's solve another question. Solve the equation. Question. Solve the following equation. Question number 5th. What is question? 7x minus 6 equal to 1. Question number 6, 3x plus 2 equal to 8. 3x plus 2 equal to what? 8. Students, question number 5th, 7x minus 6 equal to 1, that is equation which is given, and question number 6, 3x plus 2 equal to 8, that equation is given. We have to solve this equation. We have to find the value of x from these equations. Dear student, how will we solve this question? First we will write question here, 7x minus 6 that is equal to 1. Dear student, वेरिएबल वाला जो टर्म है उसको वन साइड में रखेंगे और कांस्टेंट वाले टर्म को हम दूसरे साइड में रखेंगे. तो यहाँ पे वेरिएबल वाला टर्म जो है 7x है और ये जो कांस्टेंट है जो -6 को इसको राइट हैंड में शिफ्ट कर देंगे. और अब माइनस जब राइट हैंड में जाएगा तो व्हाट विल बी +6. तो 7x इक्वल टू 6 + 1 व्हाट विल बी 7. ये स्टूडेंट वी हैव टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ x. देयरफॉर वी विल डिवाइड 7 by 7. 7 को 7 से डिवाइड कर देंगे दैट इज इक्वल टू 1. Yes, student, x equal to 1 is the solution of this equation. This is question number 5, and that is question number 6. What is 3x plus 2 equal to 8? ये स्टूडेंट क्या करेंगे, वेरिएबल वाले टर्म को एक साइड में रखेंगे और कांस्टेंट ये +2 है ना उसको राइट हैंड में शिफ्ट कर देंगे. तो प्लस राइट हैंड में जाएगा तो माइनस हो जाएगा. Therefore 3x equal to 8 minus 2 what will be 6. x का वैल्यू निकालने के लिए x के कोफिशिएंट से इसको डिवाइड कर देंगे तो यह क्या हो जाएगा 2. 3 2 जा 6. x equal to 2 जो है इस इक्वेशन का सॉल्यूशन है. ओके स्टूडेंट, स्टूडेंट्स आई होप all of you must have understood just what I explained here. Okay dear student, if any of you will have any doubt then you can direct call to me or send your message on my personal WhatsApp. Okay dear student, let's solve another question. Question number 11, dear student. Question number 11. Question number 4. Question number 4. Solve the following. Solve the following equation. Solve the following equation. First, what is x by 4 equal to 7, and second y by 3 equal to 9, and third what is m upon 2 equal to 16, and fourth is what given n by 6 equal to 12. Dear students, I have written questions on this board. Read carefully and try to understand. Solution. Dear student, first we will write question here. First question, x by 4 that is equal to 7. X by 4 that is equal to 7 is given. तो dear student, इसको हम लोग ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, x by 4 equal to 7 को क्या लिख सकते हैं, 7 को 7 by 1 लिख सकते हैं. अब क्या करेंगे, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन करेंगे. 1 का x में मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे और 7 का 4 का 7 में. तो x इंटू 1 इक्वल टू 4 इंटू 7. x का 1 में मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो x मिलेगा 7 4 जा या 4 7 जा 28. तो ये स्टूडेंट x इक्वल टू 28 इज द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ दिस इक्वेशन. सेकेंड, y by 3 इक्वल टू 9 गिवन है. Therefore we can write y by 3 equal to 9. 9 को बोल सकते हैं 9 by 1 we can write. Then student Now we will do cross multiplication. Y into 1 equal to 3 into 9. Y into 1 means y. 3 9 are 27. So dear student, y equal to 27 is the solution of this equation. Third question, what is given? M upon 2 equal to 16. Dear student, we can write m by 2. 16 by 1 we can write. 16 को 16 by 1 लिख सकते हैं, you know well. Now dear student, we will do cross multiplication. M into 1, 2 into 16. M into 1 means n, and 2 into 16 means 32. So dear student, m equal to 32 is the solution of this equation. Dear student, please note this. What is fourth question? Question number what? Fourth part. What is given? N by 2 equal to n by 6 equal to 12. तो डियर स्टूडेंट, हम लोग इसको ऐसे लिख सकते हैं, n by 6 equal to 12 by 1 लिख सकते हैं. Now we will do cross multiplication. n into 1 equal to 6 into 12. n into 1 means n. 6 12 या 12 6 is 72. Dear student, therefore the value of n is what? 72, and 72 is the solution of this equation. Dear student, I hope all of you must have understood just what I explained in this video. But dear student, if any of you will have any doubt related to any topic, then you can send your message on my personal WhatsApp, or you can direct call to me. Dear student, if you like my video, then please subscribe, like and share. Okay dear student, make practice of these questions and watch carefully at least 2 or 3 times for better understanding. Okay dear student, thank you so much.